Hey there, cloud enthusiast. Welcome back to the channel where we dive deep into the world of cloud computing. Whether you are just getting started or you are a seasoned pro, you are in the right place. I am Praveen, and today we are going to explore of exciting unleashing the power of the cloud with the AWS Cloud Value Framework. That's called CVF. But before we jump in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon so you never miss out on the latest cloud innovation and tech tips. All right, let's get started. In this video, we will explain the cost saving pillar, the benefit that organization have to be able to achieve, how organization were able to use AWS to achieve these benefits, an example and case studies, and how to demonstrate the value for your own migrations. So this is the pillar one, cost saving, total cost of sorry, total cost of ownership (TCO). The cost saving pillar of the AWS Cloud Value Framework focus on reducing the total cost of ownership for an organization IT infrastructure. By leveraging the cloud pay as you go model and economies of scale, big businesses can significantly lower their capital expenditures and optimize operational cost. This pillar helps companies identify and quantify potential savings in the areas such as hardware, software licensing, data center operations, and IT staffing. AWS help organizations reduce their cost. TCO analysis compares the cost of running applications on premises versus on AWS. So the business value of migration to Amazon Web Services by the Hackett Group found organizations using AWS Cloud achieved the following cost saving benefits. So it depicts in the picture total IT spend as percentage of current annual revenue before and after migration. It saves 4% of percentage. Total enterprise technology spends as a percent of current annual revenue, savings 20%, and over provisioning the application as percentage of capacity, even normal and demand saving like 23%. And now the figure shows a breakdown of the cost that you should consider when comparing the to the cloud. Use this breakdown to itemize your cost. This includes capturing fixed or variable cost, the payment frequency, monthly or yearly. It depends on when any software or hardware end of life reached, then that cost will also occur. So this will help you build up a view of your spending. So when modeling your spend on AWS, consider building a solution that align more closely to your desired future state. So, for instance, if you migrate an instance to AWS, it may not be fully optimized. After this, we need to manually configure the instance and set it up optimized. Now, organizations have been able to optimize their cloud spend using the following layers of AWS. First one is access capacity. So, are you paying for an additional unused capacity on premises? So, 451research.com found that the on premise data is centers typically have a server utilization rate of under 15%. So, with the cloud, you only pay for what you use. So, you can also quickly add and remove capacity based on your needs to help organization understand their current usage. So, AWS provides an automated discovery tool that's called migration evaluator. Migration evaluator provides the insight that you need to build a data driven business cases for migration to AWS. So we will see in this topic in detail in coming video. Next one is a resource utilization. So do you need to run infrastructure 24 into 7? So could you turn off resource during evenings or weekends when the developer or testers won't be working? So if the latter, then you could use on-demand instance pricing with AWS Instance Scheduler to start and stop Amazon EC2 instances that and databases. So suppose you previously had all of your instance running at 100% utilization. This solution can reduce your weekly utilization from 168 to 40 uh, hours, resulting in up to 76% of cost saving. So next one is a storage access patterns. So do you have a large volume of storage that is infrequently or rarely accessed? It is estimated that by all of your digital data can be classified as archival. This means that organizations are storing large amount of data that are rarely accessed. when migrating to AWS. So review your data storage requirement, including your data retention policy and access frequency to determine to appropriate storage classes. Next come software costs. So is a large portion of your IT spend related to software licenses. We recommend using an AWS optimized and licensing assessment that is called OLA. The AWS OLA delivers a comprehensive report that models your deployment options. So it is based on actual resource use and your exciting licensing entitlements, helping you uncover potential cost saving through flexible licensing options. Next is disaster recovery. So, are you paying for infrastructure, softwares, or facilities to support your disaster recovery requirements? With the cloud, you can develop a DR strategies for each applications where you can balance cost with recovery times by paying for what you use. So, AWS enables organizations like Kmart Australia to reduce their infrastructure spend by migrating to AWS and reducing its hardware footprint. Kmart Australia has saved her over $1 million in annual infrastructure, licensing, and other cloud system costs. So, when developing a TCO, it's important to understand to your current spend and have an accurate baseline as a comparison. And that's a wrap for the today's videos. I hope you found it helpful and now you are ready to tackle cost savings, total cost of ownership. So if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with the others who are on the cloud journey. I'd love to hear your thoughts and questions, so drop them in the comments below. Let's get the conversation started. And if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you are always up to date with our latest cloud tech content. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.